Okay.
I'll start with, I'll start with the, are you recording? Okay, I'll start with the urinary system. So we're doing male urinary system, and what we have is a male urethra extends from the external urethral sphincter that starts here at the base of the prostate. This area right here is the external urethral sphincter, and it goes downward through here, and you can't see it, but deep to this tissue is the membranous urethra. Stop me if I'm wrong too. Membranous urethra. It's deep to this area. The urethra continues on, and then it goes into here, and all this area here is the spongy urethra. You can tell from the dotted texture that this is all spongy urethra. There's the label. And the urethra ends at the external urethral orifice here. Next, we're going to look at the bladder. So the bladder is this organ. The bladder has a lot of different linings. This smooth lining externally here is the serosa. It's here, serosa. Goes here. And then the, what's next here? There's detrusor. I think the detrusor, so in between is a very important muscle. It's called the detrusor muscle. It's deep and it's a very strong muscle. And then the lining of the bladder has these folds that are called rugae that are in here. And there's I think it's a mucous membrane also in there. Okay, there's an important area. If you can see this triangle, you can kind of see there's a triangle here. That's called trigony. And the triangle is formed by the ureteral openings. So there's one visible on this model here, the right ureteral opening. And what else do we have here? Did we do adventitia? I don't think so. Oh, if we look at this that goes on top, we can see a little more about the opening, the linings. There's a very rough lining that's deep to the serosa. That's the adventitia here. And the prostate is here. The prostate sinks in there. It's the prostate. Also of interest on the model, this is a ureter. Right here, this pale colored tube is a ureter. Here is the sigmoid colon, and it goes down here and becomes, the rectum's over here. Oh, and then testes we should show. So this is the a testy here. On top of the testy is the epididymis. Is that right? Epididymis is this area. Is that everything? I think that's everything.